In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily share your name and photo on a Messages application on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, head over to Settings. Then scroll down until you find Messages. And after that, right over here, you can easily find the option which is called Share Name and Photo. Updated name and photo will be automatically shared with people in your contacts the next time you send a message. All we have to do now is just turn on or off that option, and also we can here customize our profile picture and our name. So guys, to change your name, just get into name changing tool. That's where we can change our first name and last name. And also in here, we can enable or disable name and photo sharing. To disable it, just turn it off in that way. And then also, if we tap at Edit right here, we'll be able to change our profile picture. That's how we can easily switch between different profile pictures here. And if you would like to create new one, tap at that button. I'm just gonna choose a picture. Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna choose a picture from my camera roll. I like that one. Now we are selecting a picture for that circle avatar picture. So we need to trim it. We need to trim it in that way. Just like so. After that, we are able to apply some filter to our picture. I like that one. And then also we are able here to choose our poster. We can use different picture. So I'm gonna get into photos. I'm gonna use the same one as a poster. We can also pinch it. We can also add some filter by swiping left or right. I'm gonna use the original one. And then to save it, tap at Done, then Continue. And after a couple of seconds, we'll be able to choose whom we would like to share that photo to. By default, it is set to contacts only. However, we can easily switch it to always ask. I'm gonna use contacts only. In any time, we'll be able to tap at Edit, and then we can, in that simple way, switch between our photos here. Basically guys, that's it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.